I want to give everybody an update about the further restrictions which are coming in Nottingham and Nottinghamshire. I promised everybody that I'd try and keep you up to date as possible. So as things stand, tomorrow is when we're going to have an announcement from the government. What we do know is that the rates in Nottingham City are very high. I feel very much for them. I'm a Nottingham lad myself. It's reaching around 700 now, and we know that something is definitely going to be brought in. And we also know that there's discussion about what's going to happen with the rest of Nottinghamshire. Now, I've mentioned that I don't believe that Bassetlaw and other areas of North Nottinghamshire should be brought in under these restrictions. I think our rates are low at the moment, and until our rates, which they have been rising, go a bit higher than they currently are, really, I don't think it's justified in bringing these extra restrictions in. So I've been doing everything I can over the last few days. I've spoke to the County Council and Public Health, who've been great. They've listened to what we've been saying. I've spoken to government departments. I've had a briefing from the Chief Medical Officer. I've passed my thoughts on to the Secretary of State, and we're really hoping that Bassetlaw isn't included in these. So as a Member of Parliament, I've listened to what you've said. I've passed that on, and I've passed on my own thoughts. So I really hope that we're not included in this at this time. Obviously, the rates could actually rise later on, and then we may consider it. But I think at the moment, I don't think it can be justified here. So I've put my view across. I really hope we get some good news tomorrow. If we don't, then obviously we'll work around that, and I'll be doing my very best. So let's keep our fingers crossed, and we'll await the announcement tomorrow.